This 2017 VW Golf GTI SE hatchback drives like a dream and is ready for its new owner. With a recent dealer service and current Georgia state emissions, it's in great shape for years of driving enjoyment. If you've been looking for the ultimate hot hatch, the Golf GTI Autobahn is the perfect choice. This six-speed manual version is a true enthusiast's car, blending thrilling performance, iconic styling, and everyday usability. This is a dealer-certified pre-owned vehicle, backed by a 3-month or 3,000-mile quality plus warranty, plus a 5-year maintenance plan available at a discounted price in addition to the advertised price. Ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade at the time of sale. Please note that any price reductions or discounts will void the CPO warranty and service plan. You can also upgrade the CPO warranty at a discounted rate at the time of sale. Don't miss out on this fantastic driving experience. Come check out this 2017 VW Golf GTI today.